in the social media account, what happens that other people copy my videos and they give ads, which I don't object. Many people, to get more views, they put photographs of actresses, and I've never spoken about that. And then once I see that Zakir Naik speaks on Padmavati, I said, what is this Padmavati? When I Google, I come to know it's the latest movie that had come. So they are doing this to attract, which I don't agree it is correct. So if they are doing something wrong, they will get the money. But as far as the sawab is concerned, the millions that are watching will come to me. So none of my activities, Islamic activities, ever have I charged for. The only activity that my trust also has ever charged is for the school, that also it is not a profit. We have spent crores of rupees, millions of dollars running the school. It's not profit making at all. And neither do I take any remuneration from my trust. I don't take any salary. Even when I go for giving lectures, the clause is there in the lecture that I will pay my own air ticket. I will take care of my own hotel accommodation. Only thing you have to arrange for the visa. That's my condition. But if the host forces me and doesn't allow me to pay for the hotel, I cannot force. But the ticket always I bear. Unless it is from a government. If I'm the official guest of the head of state, I cannot argue too much. If I'm being called by a king and by the president or prime minister of a country, that is the time I don't insist that I pay for my own ticket.